What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, and it's been a while since I've uploaded a thrifting YouTube video. We're out front of a Goodwill right now. I've been going to thrift stores, haven't been finding anything. It has been terrible. This place is jam-packed. Let's see if we can find anything to sell on eBay and Amazon. Wish me luck. This is getting uploaded either way, so let's find some stuff. So this has been my dilemma, right? I come to the thrift store, and it's just packed with people, and there's nothing on the shelves. I don't know what's going on. I've actually donated a lot of stuff from my garage here over the past week or two, so I'm sure we're gonna run into some of that, and I'll definitely show you guys if I see any of it. Let's see if we can find anything. The media section is half empty, which has been an issue lately. There's still a decent amount of CDs, but I don't know, a lot of it is empty. Hopefully the other side has some more stuff. We'll take a quick look through here. Anything I've never heard of before, I always look up. King's Ransom, I've never heard of. I doubt it's worth anything, but we'll still look it up. And we'll do that real quick through this section. If I find anything, you guys will see it. All right, so the other side does have some cool stuff. I see Roseanne, seasons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We also have a bunch of Scrubs, South Park, ER, Futurama, Animaniacs, Punky Brewster, some sealed stuff. Oh, this is all sealed. So yeah, we're gonna do a scan through of this. Yeah, South Park goes up to season 9 here. That could be good. This Dark City looks kind of cool for $1.99, brand new sealed. Let's scan it. Let's see if it's worth anything. Oh, I'm restricted. That's odd. Let's try to request approval, see what happens. And oh, there we go, I can sell it. All right, rescan it in and let's see what it's going for. 15 bucks. I'm gonna make $8.21 minus my 2. There's $6. So I'm gonna scan through all this, see what we can find. Now I did grab a few things I'll show you guys, but I came over to the VHS section to check the rest of the media, and I see some cool things here. You guys ever heard of Biker Mice from Mars? I used to play this on the Super Nintendo.
Biker Mice from Mars. Biker Mice from Mars. Biker Mice from Mars.
And we got a whole bunch of them. $2 each, which that's a lot for VHS tapes. Don't get me wrong. They used to be 50 cents, then $1, now $2, so they just keep going up. But that is cool. I don't know if these are worth anything. We're definitely gonna look them up. Let's see what else is over here, because this is only the first thing I noticed. We also have brand new sealed of the White Seal. Never heard of that. We got some Tiny Toon Adventures. Oh, I used to love Tiny Toons when I was younger. That's pretty cool. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoon. That's cool. Oh, more Tiny Toons down here. Oh, there's some cool ones. What's up here? Call of Duty 1 and 2 for the PC. That might have a little bit of value. There's no price on that one. Oh, $8 on that one. $8 is definitely too much. So we'll put these back. But I'm very interested in these here. I'm gonna have to look into them because I have no clue if they're worth anything. All right, so I just typed them in on eBay to take a quick look, and there's 2 sold, a lot of 6, but there's only 2 of the Biker Mice ones in this lot for $21. A little lot of 2 for $8, and then here's some individual ones. $8, $15 brand new, so they're not worth that much, sadly. On Amazon, they're going for a lot more, but I don't know how well they sell over there. I'll scan one in to show you guys. This first one right here, let's scan it into Amazon together. Oh, it's already scanned in. Okay, great. So here it is, and there's no rank. Usually you don't see a rank on Amazon. $33. But there's only one person selling it. Are they actually gonna get 30? I don't know. I don't know if I can leave these behind for $2 each though. They're so cool. Even if I end up keeping them myself, I might do that. These Tiny Toons right here though, let's scan this in on Amazon, see what we get. And I sell VHS on Amazon pretty often. Again, nobody's on the listing, so it's kind of make your own price, maybe 15, 20 bucks. Let's try this one right here, see what comes up. All right, that one's scanned in, and $30 is where that one's at, but again, it's probably a little high. So how we'll double check this and cross-reference this is by checking eBay. And then we'll scan that in with the barcode scanner on eBay. And there we go. Yeah, $9, $13, $6.99, but that's just some weird declutter So yeah, maybe $9, give or take. Not bad. There's definitely some cool things here. I wish these were $1 each. I wouldn't mind as much. But I think I'm just gonna grab this lot right here. They're just too cool to leave. Okay, I was about to head out from this section and I looked up here and I saw something that looked cool. Something I've never seen before. Snorks?
Come along with the snorks. Swim along with the snorks.
I don't know. I've never heard of Snorks before, but Hanna-Barbera, pretty popular cartoon company. I looked it up on eBay and there's only 3 listed, with the cheapest being $25 plus shipping. Let's check solds. There might not be any. And there are, oh, there's one for, yeah, $22 plus shipping. So, okay, not too bad. The only issue I have with this is it's not in its original case. It's in there, but this was a rental, so they cut the artwork and put it into like a rental case. You can see that. So that's kind of a shame. Might leave that behind, but I think I'm gonna grab all of these. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the DVDs that were worth it. We picked up House of Wax, and green is half off today. If you take a look right there, you could kind of see it says 50% off. And $1.99 on it, so it's only $1. I think it's selling for over $15. We also got The Adventures of the Gummy Bears complete series for $3. I think it's selling for about $20. And then we grabbed that Dark City, which I showed you guys earlier, and then the complete series of Roseanne. $5 a season, comes out to what, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, $45, which is a lot. But after fees, I think you're getting close to 100, so I'm gonna double up. Shouldn't be too bad there, and it seems to be a pretty fast seller. So pretty awesome there. Let's see what else I got in here. Doing pretty good today. All right, I'll show you guys around, see what I'm seeing. There's a little Snoopy guy, a really weird baby doll with a soccer jersey on. You can go right back down there. A mop for $6. This looks like one of those dollar store mops. $6. Little Ken doll. I don't think so. And then lots of books. I always keep an eye out for different graphic novels or video game guides, but I don't see them too often, so I kind of fly through the book section. Let's see what we got around the corner here. Even the book section's looking a little pick through. A lot of these shelves are pretty empty, surprisingly. The books can usually stay full, just not today. Well, this is kind of cool looking. Oh, it's just a dictionary. All right, we're gonna make our way, I guess, down this aisle real quick. What do we have here? See ScoobyDoo. Is that like a ScoobyDoo tennis racket case? It's actually really cool for $10 though, and it is in terrible shape. Why is this $10? It's another issue I've been running into, very bad prices. But next to the Scooby-Doo was I was gonna say a sealed DVD, but look at that. Previously viewed. It's used. Yeah, so we'll just leave that there. Alright, so we're at the toy section, and these are a bunch of games that I've donated here. That Quick Wit, that Office Downsizing game, that Royally Screwed. These are all things I dropped off. I think Go to the Head of the Class I possibly dropped off. So this Clue game I dropped off. So there is a bunch of stuff I dropped off here, which is kind of nice. I did not drop this off though. This is brand new for $3.99, the couples game. Let's see if this is worth anything. At $4. Scan it in, and yeah, it sells for $19. And make 12 minus the 4. Yeah, another $8. We'll take that. Stick that in the cart, and I did already grab a Triple E game. It's only $1.99, which is a great deal. I'll show you guys this. I always scan everything brand new, realistically. You never know if it's going to be worth something. And this game right here is selling for $21.91. Minus my 2, I'm going to make $10 on it. That's an easy $10. All right, back over at the books, and this is really cool. This Witcher cookbook. The Witcher official cookbook for $4.99. But there's an issue. This is why I don't love scanning books in for Amazon. I'll show you guys. Scan it in. It originally sold for $35 in the store. We have it scanned in right here. It sells brand new for 20, used it shows 25, so it has to be lower than 20. Look at those fees. They take about over 50%, so you only make $8. Now you'd have to sell it used, so even less than that. So at $5, it's a great buy for personal use, of course, and I think it's awesome. But to flip on Amazon, Amazon's fees are wild, so we're leaving that behind. I do love The Witcher, it's a great game, but I don't need something like that. So it is what it is, but I find that with a lot of hardcover books. And then of course I always have to look for my Cat in the Hat books. I say it in a bunch of videos. There's a few books that are just worth really good money. I'll pop them up here on the screen so you guys can see. I don't believe any of these are it. Maybe a Walk in My Pocket. I don't think so. I don't see anything else here. What were they asking for these Dr. Seuss books anyways? $2 each. Out of curiosity. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to find anything else here. Again, we got 2 games, lots of media, lots of DVDs, VHS tapes, all that kind of stuff. Let's see if we can find something a little more obscure in here. I'm sure I can. Let's look at other sections. Alright, we're in the little miscellaneous area, and look at this. A little die-cast bank. These things are pretty cool, or cast iron banks, not die-cast, cast iron. And you flick back the fish. He sits into place. You put like a quarter in his mouth. You hit this little lever right here, and he shoots it into here. I have a few of these, not this one specifically, but take a look. Here they are. They sell pretty regularly for about 30 plus shipping. That one went for 60. That one only went for 10, so they're kind of all over the place. But it looks like about 30, give or take. The issue, it's not priced. So do we bring it up to the front, see if they sell it for $3 to $5? I think we do. And then we list it for 30 plus shipping. See what happens. It looks just like that. Works great. So yeah, let's try it. All right, this is cool. In here, this little plushie, we have a Mickey Mouse wearing a Boston Bruins jersey, and it is brand new with tags for $1.99. Gotta love that. I already looked him up. There are none sold of the Bruins jersey, but you can see Tampa Bay went for 13 plus shipping, Ducks went for 23, Avalanche went for 20, so they do sell for about 20, give or take. And here are the Bruins ones listed. We have $30, 15 plus 6 shipping, and 18. None of them are new with tags. The 3 haven't sold yet, but like I said, other teams sell pretty, not super regularly, but they are selling. So we're gonna give it a shot at $2. Let's see what happens, especially since mine is brand new. This is so sweet. I've been looking for this book, Leviathan Wakes, for a while now. It's not worth a lot of money, but I like sci-fi, dystopian kind of things, and I've actually wanted to read this. And at $1.99, it's the first book in, look at how many there are, holy cow. That's awesome. I will definitely grab this for myself at $2. You can't go wrong for a personal buy. I was looking into these rackets over here next to that ScoobyDoo thing I showed you guys earlier, and I saw this pair of 2 right here at only $4 each. They look like racquetball rackets, and at $4 each, they're still not really worth too much. The head demons, not really valuable. This tennis racket, again, not so much. This I was kind of interested on. It is a liquid metal, and where's the brand? Oh, Head, right there. Head liquid metal. It looks like they taped it and re-gripped it, so it's in really, really nice shape. I looked it up. Prices are all over the place. Again, there's no price on this. So if I have to go buy the other ones, these were $4. This was $6. Here's another one for, again, no price. So who knows? Between $4 and $6 probably. I see these selling anywhere from $15 to $50 on eBay. Kind of on the fence about it. I'm going to put it back, but did I make a mistake? Let me know. I'm not sure. I don't know much about these. Right before we leave, I'm looking at the glass case. I see a DVD way back in here for $8, but it's half off, so we're going to grab it.